Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Miss Harshita and today we are going to learn about our five sense organ. Yes, our five sense organs. I see with my eyes. I smell with my nose. I hear with my ears. I taste with my tongue. And I feel with my hands. Do you all want to know how? Come, let's see. First sense organ is sight, that is see. I see with my eyes, you see with your eyes too. I see a black diary. Can you all see a black diary? I see a blue color pen. I see a comb. Now, when I close my eyes, I see nothing. Come on. You all try to close your eyes and tell me what do you see. Now, there is a small exercise. You all have to look around and tell me what all you can see. So, the first one is sight. I see with my eyes. Now we move on to the second sense, that is our nose. I smell with my nose. You smell with your nose too. Nose help us to smell. It may be good smell. It can be bad smell. I have a perfume here and it smells so nice. The fragrance of perfume is very sweet. I use a sanitizer to clean my hands and it smells so nice. I have a flower. Oh, the fragrance of flower is so fresh. I have talcum powder. The smell of talcum powder is very nice. I have a trash bin. There is trash in this bin. Yucky! It smells so bad. Yes, so our second sense is our nose. Repeat with me. I smell with my nose. We move on to the third sense, that is our ears. I hear with my ears. You hear with your two ears. Let us see what kind of sounds our ear have. I have a doorbell. It says ding dong, ding dong. I can hear a doorbell. I can hear a washing machine. I can hear a mixer. I can hear a fire engine. Nina, 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 nina. I can hear a car. Ah. Beep, 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 beep. I can hear. What does a duck say? Duck is saying quack, quack. Now, what did you hear? Huh? If you say clapping, then you are right. Come on, now we move on to fourth sense organ, that is taste. I taste with my tongue. You taste with your tongue too. I am having some cupcakes. They are so yum. I have some chili. It's so spicy. This is a strawberry. I love to eat fruits. The ice cream is so cold. Our tongue helps us to know whether something is cold, something is hot. I want to have some hot tea. It's so hot. Tongue help us to know whether something is, yeah, spicy, sour, tasty, yummy, bitter. So now we move on to our next sensory organ, that is, yes, touch. I have 10 fingers. I touch and feel with 10 fingers. You also feel with your 10 fingers. My 10 fingers help me to hold something. I am holding a fridge. I can open a fridge. I can find something. This cookie is so cold. I can feel these blocks. These blocks are very hard. I have a rabbit. The rabbit says, squeak, squeak. The rabbit is very soft. So today we learned about our 5 sense organ. Let us repeat. The first one is sight. I see with my eyes. Second is nose. I smell with my nose. Third is hearing. I hear with my 2 ears. Fourth is tongue. Taste. I taste with my tongue. Fifth is touch and feel. My hands help me to touch and feel. Hope you all understood. Now, can we all sing one lovely rhyme? On my face I have 2 eyes, I have 2 eyes, I have 2 eyes. On my face I have 2 eyes, I use them to see. On my face I have 1 nose, have 1 nose, have 1 nose. On my face I have 1 nose, I use it to smell. On my face I have 2 ears, have 2 ears, have 2 ears. On my face I have 2 ears, I use them to hear. On my face I have 1 tongue, have 1 tongue, have 1 tongue. On my face I have 1 tongue, I use it to taste. On my hands I have 10 fingers, have 10 fingers, have 10 fingers. On my hands I have 10 fingers, I use it to feel. Thank you. Bye-bye.